Okay, now I did the information for you, but you can still look it up yourself. The way you do it is find out which day was the longest day. That would be the 91st day of the year. Count back 91 days. That would be the first day of the year. Count up 30 days, and on the day after the 30th day, that would be the first day of the second month. I did that for you, and the first day of the second month of this year was April 1st, 2010. First day of the second month. And I counted 21 days after the first day of the second month to get to the 22nd day of the second month. And that landed on May 12th, 2011. Now let's go to see on what day was May 12th, 2011. Bam! Thursday. It was on a Thursday. So now with that being said, I also did some more information like I showed y'all earlier. From May 12th, 2011, I counted backwards 7 days. 7 days behind May 12th would be May 5th, 2011. That was the 15th day of the second month. The 8th day of the second month was 7 days before that, and that was April 28th. And I followed this schedule on both sides. This is the Enoch calendar with no name, and this is the Gregorian calendar with the names. And I followed it. This line is separating this from this because this right here, if you was taking my notes, you would understand. This starts, and then this is after the starting one, and then it goes up from there, and then you go down here. March 31st, 2011 was the 10th day of the first month. 7 days on that would have been the 17th day of the first month, and would have been April 7th, 2011. And that's where I picked it up at. That's where I picked it up at. This camera, I don't know. Excuse me. Oh, that's the wrong side. 7 days before that, March 24th. 7 days before that, and I'm keeping a track of both months in the calendar. And look, on the Enoch side, the 22nd day of the 11th month was a Sabbath. So that's the second time that it's on the 22nd day of a month. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There's another time that it was on the 22nd day of the month. Do you see it? November 11th. It was on that. November 11th was the 22nd day of the 8th month. Keep going, and it goes to October 14th, and it was on the 24th of the 7th month, and that was October 14th. And then we go to the other side. October 7th. Oh. Excuse me. I'm trying to show y'all how I did it. But you can do it yourself and find out. But I'm showing you how I got Thursday to be the date. Then October 7th, 2010 was the 17th day of the 7th month, and that was a Sabbath. And all these days were Thursdays. And look now, there goes another 22nd of the 5th month. So the 22nd of the 5th month, when was the last one? The 22nd of the 5th month, the 22nd of the 8th month, the 22nd of the 11th month. So it's saying every 3 months, the Sabbath will land on the 22nd of that month.